I have been having some problems and issues with lining holes and panels with beams, pre-drilled holes. Like, I don't know if you can see this, but I don't think so. The camera can't pick that up, but there's a hole in the beam and then there's a hole in the panel, but they just don't line up. I've tried. I don't want to damage the roof. I've actually been using some of my own screws to go through and drill some new holes to make sure that they're secure. I will be maintaining this shed, and I will be re-drilling and putting in my own screws in places I need. One shortcoming is like some parts can be pushed up like that. I had to do my best with putting the panels because they just simply don't line up if you flip them around. So they were meant to be put in the way that they're put in. And I wish I had known that I had enough screws that I would have tried to secure these panels together. But that's only after building that you can realize that I could have put screws in, that we had pre-drilled tiny holes for the panels at the roof panels. But since I could reach the other sides, I put screws in those pre-drilled holes that were not shown in the plans. So you can see like this. These were not shown in the plans. So that's one thing I would have preferred to do.